Understanding our space environment and how the sun's activity influences space weather and planetary atmospheres is vitally important for the protection of space-based satellite assets and space-reliant sectors such as telecommunications, civil aviation and climatology. Dr. Dibyendu Nandi is leading India's efforts in development of indigenous space weather forecasting capabilities, computational modeling and data analysis techniques geared towards understanding the Sun-Earth system. Currently, Dr. Dibyendu Nandi heads the MHRD-established Multi-Institutional Centre of Excellence in Space Sciences India at IISER, Kolkata, and is chair of the International Astronomical Union Working Group on impact of magnetic activity on solar and stellar environments. He received his BSc degree from St. Xavier's College, Calcutta University in 1995 and received his PhD degree and Martin Forster Gold Medal in 2003 from the Indian Institute of Science, Bangalore. Dr. Nandi has made seminal contributions to the study of the origin of the sunspot cycle and in understanding the sun's coronal structure and dynamics of solar magnetic storms, which critically influence our space weather. He is currently developing India's national capabilities in computational modeling of the interactions of solar and stellar plasma winds with planetary atmospheres, which have important consequences for planetary climates and habitability. Dr. Dibyendu Nandi has published many articles in renowned journals, and his honours include the Ramanujan Fellowship of the Department of Science and Technology, Government of India, and Parker Lecturership, and the Harvey Prize from the American Astronomical Society.